Hello viewers, we have another update for the Fly OBE app, and these updates for the Windows 11 bypass tool are coming out very quick. Version 1.3 is the latest release which came out yesterday in my region. Fly OBE is not just an app that helps you skip system requirement to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC. It also includes extra tweaks and option to remove unwanted features. A lot of new functions have now been added to Fly OBE. I will leave my previous video about the app and its update linked below or at the end of this video, in case you missed the earlier ones, since updates are rolling out quite often. Let's look at what's new in the version 1.3, the latest release. This version is called the Wind Pilot release according to the developer. The first major change is a new clean and logical menu layout. Designed according to the Microsoft UI guidelines, navigation is now divided into two parts: install operating system and setup operating system. I think this is a good improvement as it separates the pre-installation and post-installation step clearly. The second major update is the Wind Pilot button, added next to the Fly OBE logo in the toolbar. This is not the same as the old Wind Pilot app. You can open it by clicking the button. If you choose to run it, window may show a warning, but it's safe to use. Once launched, it provides step-by-step help for less experienced users. The developer mentioned that while it's not fully automated yet, automation might be added in future updates. The third key change is that extensions are now grouped by category. For example, when you open finalize setting, you will see that extension and post setup option have their own separate section. This makes the app easier to navigate and more organized. Now moving on the bug fix and smaller improvement. Fix a network OBE issue where multiple networks could show as connected. Fix an installer bug that stopped some apps from installing properly. Corrected two small DPL scaling issue. Remove several test flag used in 90 preview builds. Made small UI and layout improvement for smoother navigation and better efficiency. Overall, this Wind Pilot release version 1.3 brings several useful improvements and fixes, making Fly OBE more organized and user friendly. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.